Hello everyone! Today is prep day here at Underdouble Westgate dahil bukas na ang aming chef's night. So, I'm back here in my kitchen getting ready for tomorrow, and I can't wait to see everyone who booked at lahat ng mga makakasama ko tomorrow for the first and second seating. Na-miss ko kayo. So, I have a few slots left for my first seating. So, give us a call here at our Angry Dobo hotline. Punta lang kayo sa social media page namin, which is Official Angry Dobo. Makikita nyo doon yung hotline numbers namin. And, puro na yung second seating ko. So, if you still want to experience our chef's night, first seating na lang available namin. So, give us a call now because we'll be closing our lines pretty soon because kailangan ko na isara yung head count ko for tomorrow. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow!